Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to convert a Facebook profile to a page. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Facebook and you just need to click this profile icon here, and once you click that you will see your profile homepage, your profile timeline rather. So in here you will see this three dots in here, click that and you will see here the turn on professional mode. Click that and click turn on. So now we've turned on the professional mode. So when we've turned on the professional mode, all of your friends will become your followers and you will see here the following persons you have. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.